Here we have a 2014 BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport Touring. Now this vehicle comes with over £16,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. We also have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. The blue M Sport brake calipers are just behind. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights, two gloss black front kidney grills. We also have the front splitter as well. Around to the passenger side, you'll find that we have the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find that we have the black roof rails. We also have the pano glass roof just there, the shark fin antennae, and also the rear spoiler. We have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside and a reversing camera as well. We have the twin pipe exhaust, the rear diffuser, and a power assisted tailgate. Walking back round to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, so in the back first you find the full leather interior. Both the outer seats are heated on the back row. We have the foldable armrest as well, fixed ISO points, as you can see, the heated seat buttons just down there. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system on the doors and electric windows as well. Taking a look at the front again, we have the full leather interior. Both the front seats are heated as well, and there is a look at them. Again on the doors, the premium Harman Kardon sound system just there. We have the electric windows with child lock for the rear and electric mirrors as well. We have the auto lights just there, the auto wipers, a multifunctional steering wheel which has paddle shifters on either side. We also have the cruise control and the speed limiter just there. We have the dashboard and the main infotainment screen in the centre console, which has the lights of the sat-nav. We also have the DAB radio, the Bluetooth phone connectivity, and much more. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.